Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Marvel channels. So in this video, we will talk about the plugin which we developed from the chatgpt and Grok. Let me show you in this plugin. So here one of the plugin I developed from the using the chatgpt. So my website deals with most of the aircraft news and comparisons and all. So I made this plugin using the AI system. As you can see, both the aircraft is being displayed into this. Airbus A320 and Boeing aircraft. This is right now for the dummy. I just show you how I made this plugin. First, you need to go to this ChatGPT and give the prompt here. Develop the WordPress plugin for the aircraft comparison where the aircraft must be listed left and right drop menu. Aircraft will have the features like the length, width, seats and engine thrust, price. So this is what I made it a prompt. So if you are making a comparison plugin, try to give the explanation left and right format. And also the features, what all the features you wanted to include in that kind of a prompt. Let me take you the one of the example. If I wanted to make the comparison for BMW and Mercedes, so I'll just put the features, all these things in the prompt. So this aircraft, this car will have this much range and this is price and this is thrust, whatever things is been just has to write onto this. And if you get this prompt and correct the prompt, then it will give you the revised prompt additions. So here, develop a WordPress plugin for comparing the aircraft. The plugin should have the following features: aircraft selection, drop down menu, aircraft features like this. It will show you everything here. And the better version I'm having here, the plugin develop a WordPress plugin for aircraft comparison. So I just made it onto this. Just read it carefully what all things is been included. It's not just quickly you can make it, but thing is like how you giving a prompt to this AI system, very important. The plugin should allow the user compare two aircraft side by side. According to that, it gives a comparison length, width, seats, engine thrust, price and company name and model name, flight range and plugin features. So plugin features here, aircraft data management. So where admin can edit, remove an aircraft data via the plugin setting page. The data should be easily editable to facilitate future updates and aircraft comparison. Provide drop-down selection following user to choose the aircraft for comparisons. Shortcode for display. So whatever you have done this in the plugin, you can show it in any pages or any of the articles. So this is how it is made into this. Then setting the page, the plugin should also include the setting the pages over here. And what we can expect workflow. The admin side, admin will be able to add, edit, update the aircraft details. Front end, the front end, it should show the shortcut, and after the selection, the plugin should has to show the details of the format. And additional notes to the plugin, it should be user friendly to and easy to install and integrate smoothly with the WordPress. These are the prompt it has been shown onto this. Once you hit this enter the prompt, so this is all the showing here the PHP codes. Let me tell you onto this PHP codes, there are many things is there, but I am not recommending you to go through the ChatGPT. So I tested with the both ChatGPT and Grok. ChatGPT has a very good output as well, but there are certain things you have to re-edit in the codes. And if you are not good in the codes, even I'm not good in the codes, but still I've just managed to make this plugin. So in ChatGPT, I tried to 3 to 4 times the whatever output I received, there was a lot of error it was getting. So if I show you some of them here, a lot of comparison I made it. So these are all the things which is shown onto the error. So that's reason again I went to this Grok. In the Grok, I just given the develop a WordPress plugin for the aircraft comparison. So I just copied this here, which is already generated from the from the earlier times. So I just take it here, Grok again, to showing you that how it is been developed. So using this here, I put the command here and then press the head enter. So once you enter this here, it start writing the codes for these aircraft comparisons. As you can see, the left side, aircraft comparison plugin.php. This is very important for the plugin. So it is developing all here together. In one time, you may not able to get the correct output, but you need to try again and again, and you have to check it how the models it will be shown onto this. It is just precisely it is making as compared to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also good in small plugins, and this kind of a complex plugin you better go to the Grok. As you can see, the Grok has given a majorly things with the codes over here, and step by step and very neatly and very clearly it is showing onto this codes. And once this codes all is done, then we can download this codes. As you can see, the aircraft comparison plugin.php and style.css, these two plugins it shows out here. Once it is done, you can download it here. Then again you can go to the CSS, then again you can download this. These two files are very important, and these two files you can create a thing. I just take this copy and I'll open this into the another folder, and I'll give it to the dummy, or else you can just put it here. Just take it to one more and create the folder here and put this file. But thing is, like, now aircraft comparison plugin, it's in a notepad. So for this one we need to convert this into PHP folder. So PHP file we have to convert this. Very simple. You just have to go to this file and save as, then hit the united comma, then aircraft comparison. Just make sure that better you can copy this correct name. This is very important. With the small spelling it may lead you to the error, so better that you just take this here. Just close it, the earlier folder. So I'll open it here and file and save as. After this, take a united comma and just put it plugin here. So I just remove this plugin and .php. Yeah, it's showing an error here, so we have to complete our another united comma. So this is PHP is done. As you can see, this PHP is done here. So I close this file and I just delete this folder, and then style CSS, then we have to put it here .css. Okay, that's it. Now once it is done, I just already done here one of the folder. I'll take you this aircraft comparison. This is already done, this PHP plugin. You can have it like this, or else you just put it aircraft comparison.php, and another is a style CSS. Once this is done, then you have to go to this zip folding. You should make it zip folding. Okay, the rar it won't accept it, so that's the reason you have to use it aircraft zip folding. So once it's done, this zip fold it will be created in that folder. So later on you have to come to your plugin area. So once you come to the plugin area, select the plugin which you wanted to install there. Here just go to the plugin, install plugin and add plugin and upload plugin. Just go to this folder and select this one and install it. So now once the plugin is installed, then you go to the install plugin. As you can see, the aircraft comparison is been showing onto here, and once this has been activated, it will show you in the left corner in the dashboard aircraft comparison. If I hit this aircraft comparison, so as I can see here, let me take you into the real these things. Add a new aircraft. You can use it any car kind of these things. I give you this prompt in my comment below in my description, so where you can copy this and use it for your project. This is quite a very easy. For this reason, please like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm trying my best to give you the very good results from this plugin. Very easy, very comfortable, and also you can sell these plugins in the market as well. Okay, just I will take this in Airbus aircraft, and it is in a A321 Neo. I just take this name. Most of people doesn't know this aircrafts and all, so you can check it out here, A321 Neo aircraft. So I'll just go to this and I will use it, this Wikipedia. I will go through this here and find out what all the descriptions are here. So onto this description, I close this here. Okay, length, what is length is they're having, it's a 44.51. I'll just put it here, 44.51 meter, and the wingspan of this, how much the width is, or like 35.80. This is all in the meter. You can use it It's already written in the meter, so we don't have to put it onto this. And then the seats, I'm taking A321 Neo, then it is a maximum seats is 206, and one class it is having a 244. So I just put it here, 244 maximum seats. And the engine, we have the engine name, the two engine names is used for this Airbus A321. I just put it here. And thrust, how much the thrust it is having. The max thrust is 147 point, I'll just take this kilonewton, and I will add it here. It's written kilonewton. And the next is the millions of dollars. It's around nearly some $80 million. It's more than that actually, $110 million. And the flight range, is typically some 3,500 nautical miles. That's 6,480. Yes, it's in kilometers, so I just added 6,480. So I just add it onto this aircraft list. So now this is done. Airbus A321 Neo. As you can see, this Airbus A321. I'm next heading to the Boeing aircraft. Then I'm using the Boeing 737-10 Max aircraft. Then the length, what is the length of this Boeing 737 Max aircraft? I'll go again here in the Wikipedia. 737 Max 10 aircraft. Kindly excuse me for just researching in while doing this project. I'm very sorry. So let me go through this onto this. I wanted to show this display what would be the outcome from here. The length, the Boeing 737 Max length. So it's around 43.79 meter. I'm taking this here and put it to this. Next is on the wingspan. How much the wingspan it is having right now is 35.92 meters. Let me tell you, on this wingspans are same for all the Boeing 737 types of aircraft. Then seats, it has around 230 seats is a maximum capacity. So we are adding the maximum capacity here. And the engine is using a CFM engine as well. So this is on CFM engine. So this is onto here, CFM International Engine 1B. Most of the model use this engine. I'm adding to this. And thrust is how much the thrust it has been developing here. As you can see, this so 130 kilonewtons of thrust it producing here. Next price is around it's 100 million, and the flight range is it's 5,700 kilometer is already added. So I'll just put it here, aircraft list. Now it's all done now. So we'll go to this features. So on this one already have been taken onto this aircraft comparisons. You have to put it a short code aircraft comparison. While you're doing this, you can write up in the prompt that what type of the short code you wanted in that plugin. So in my plugin, I used aircraft comparison short code with the box envelope, like box closing, box open and box closing, this thing, aircraft comparison. So this is my short code. So I'll take this and open it in incognito. So before that, I need to save this here, and then I'm just going to this here. Now I just press it here, Airbus A320 and Boeing 737 Max. And there's one more, Boeing 737 Max, compare. It's already added now. I just go to again here, A321 and Boeing 737 Max. Clear the caches. Aircraft comparisons. So again, I just clear the caches from here. because due to the caches it may not load correctly. Copy this, and again I'm just going to this here. Yes, now it is successfully loaded here. I can see this Airbus A321neo, and one more, the comparison from Boeing. This both aircrafts is compared to each other here, and just hit the compare. Load it again. Yes, we have done like this in the plugin. It shows you the correct onto this company name Airbus and Boeing, model name A321neo and Boeing 737 Max aircraft, and length is 44.51, 43.79, width is here, seats is here, engine is here, thrust is here, price is here, flight range. It's amazing to do it. So it's quite a very easy. You can do it in your computer very easy. And this, as I said, that you can sell these plugins as well to other people, those who can use this plugin. And I will show you some more important these things in this video. Same. Some of the plugins will have need to be saved in different format. So that's your format is comes with so some format it comes like this, the whatever the PHPs and styles CSS and what the plugins will be there here that we have to copy and put it. So in this one we will talk about this plugin. So this has shown you this in the plugin. If we want to convert this plugin here, copy this and open a new folder. This is additional things. Those who want to learn how to do this PHP, you can convert this new add note onto this. So just go to this here, save as, and just this is one, just United comma aircraft comparison .php United comma, just hit it. So this is generated right now. So suppose you are wanted to make this for the CSS file, the same, these codes are different, but if you wanted to add it another codes over here, so that also you can convert it into this. Go to the file manager, then save as, just you have to put it, this is for the style.css. that's it. If you hit this, then automatically it will create onto this. Then JS file, if you want to create this in the same as a JS file, you just go to this here and aircraft JS file, hit it. That's it. Now JS file is done now, but while you ending up this is in the CSS, you have to put it CSS folder here, and another one you have to put it a JS one, so .js. That's it. After that you have to delete this word. These are the three files are very important which you can use it, and these files are dummy as of now. As I said that the file should be downloaded from your Grok. Okay, so I just take the summarize once again here. I just go to this first one is aircraft prompt. I'm added the aircraft prompt. As you can see, develop prompt from here. I ask for the prompt, how this has been done. Develop a WordPress aircraft comparison prompt like this. Then after it is given like this, and later on I change small things in that prompt. Wherever I wanted to make changes, like front end user can select the given data and plugin should be easy to distinguish of the aircraft table. And later on this I tried in the chatgpt again to develop this codes over here. Different of the codes it developed, and later on I copied this code and tested into this. Later on I understood that the chatgpt is not that as good as a Grok. Then again I visited to the Grok and I given this prompt correctly, then Grok developed this aircraft comparison plugin and also CSS file. So both the files I saved into here, and then after I converted this file into the aircraft comparison file. So it's here, aircraft comparison file. So after this, I use this and put it into my plugin area. Once I made the plugin area, then after I came into the edit form, then I edited all this list of things about the different types of the aircraft. So here comparison, even you can use it for your car comparison, bike comparison, and some of the any characteristic comparison of any of the non-living object or living object, whatever you wanted to add it. So you can do this comparison. I hope you like this video, and please let me know how do you feel about this video, and please share it to the others, those who doesn't know how to do this plugin from using the AI system. And if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a specify of this information, so you can comment on this below of this video, and I will reply you back onto this. And one more thing is like many people who are faced some of the malware in your computer, I made one special video to how to fix the malware in your computer, in your WordPress site. It's a very good video, you can go and watch. And this is very important. If someone website is been hacked, or if any injected malware is injected in the WordPress or anything, please go and check that video. It's in my list where video has been made, different videos have been made. You can go and check it out, that one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned at Tech Marvel channel. Goodbye. Bye bye.